Hi there, I am going to talk about mind-muscle connection in this video. Many trainers and bodybuilders say that it is important to master mind-muscle connection for muscle hypertrophy training. Mind-muscle connections is a connection between the brain and the muscle in order to do a conscious and deliberate muscle contraction. That is, it is the ability to focus the attention on a specific muscle you train during exercises. In this video, I am going to talk about if it works. Or does it even exist? Many studies, especially in sports psychology area, have indicated that differences of focus of attention during action have significant effects on the sports performance and motor learning. For example, focusing on one's body movements, called internal focus, is not effective for sports performance or motor learning. On the other hand, focusing on the environment, called external focus, improves sports performance and motor learning. For example, this study compared the effects between internal focus and external focus on basketball free-throw performance and muscle activation during the action. Participants in the internal focus group focused on the snapping motion of their wrist during the action. On the other hand, participants in the external focus group focused on the basket hoop. As results, external group showed higher throwing score than internal focus group. Moreover, muscle activations on biceps and triceps in the internal focus group during the action were higher than the external focus group. Thus, external focus of attention has better impacts on the performance, because externally focusing of attention recruits motor unit efficiency by reducing activations of biceps and triceps muscles. So, how does this difference in attention affect resistance training? Here is a study that has compared the impacts of the attention foci on muscle activation during biceps curl. Participants were asked to complete biceps curl at 50% of maximum isometric strength for 2 sets of 10 repetitions with external focus or internal focus. Participants in the internal focus focused on their biceps, and participants in external focus focused on the bar. It has shown that external focus makes bar speed faster. More importantly, internal focus activated biceps and triceps muscles more than external focus. In the experiment too, they were asked to lift the bar at the fixed speed. Even so, internal focus created higher muscle activation of biceps. This result supports the last study, and demonstrates that using external focus recruits motor unit effectively. Additionally, they focused on only biceps curl in the internal focus group. However, triceps activation was also higher. Summarizing these studies, exercising with external focus improves the performance, and the reason is that it induces more effective recruitment of motor unit, and reduces muscle activations during exercises. Then, how the reduced activation by external focus, or increased activation by internal focus affects on muscle hypertrophy. If increased muscle activation induced by internal focus have a greater impact on muscle hypertrophy, then, it might be able to demonstrate the effectiveness of mind-muscle connection for muscle hypertrophy. This study got participants into either internal focus group or external focus group. Then, they had to complete barbell curl and leg extension for 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions with a 2-minute rest between sets, for 3 times per week for 8 weeks. As a result, internal focus group showed significantly greater muscle gains on biceps muscle than the external focus group. However, there are no significant group difference on leg muscle gains. This finding can support the effectiveness of mind-muscle connection on muscle hypertrophy, especially on upper body. However, the reason why internal focus did not improve leg gains might be because controlling leg muscles is not as easy as upper body muscle. Having said that, this finding is from untrained population, so trained population may be able to get greater leg gains as well because they can control leg muscle. The conclusion is that, in sports performance and motor learning, it is efficient to use an external focus that can efficiently mobilize the motor unit. If you are training for the purpose of muscle hypertrophy, it is more efficient to do it with internal focus, which can increase muscle activities, which makes you to train with mind-muscle connection. Thank you for watching. I will keep uploading videos about fitness and training with scientific evidences. Please subscribe if you like it. See you in the next video. Bye.